This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying DaVinci Resolve and the mask tracking module are available. That prevents wasted effort later. Next, import footage, set the timeline frame rate to match your source, and make a low-res proxy if performance lags. Once done, switch to the Fusion or Color workspace and create a Fusion clip or node tree for the mask. You do this now so tracking runs on the correct clip and resolution. It ensures subsequent tracking calculations use the right reference frame and settings. You draw a clean mask using the Bezier or Polygon tool tightly around the target. Good initial shape reduces drift. Then, pick your tracking direction, forward, backward, or both, and increase the search area slightly to accommodate motion. Make keyframes at major motion changes to anchor the track. If the subject rotates or scales, enable affine or planar options so the mask follows perspective. As you refine, scrub the timeline and correct any early misalignments by nudging points before you finalize by baking the tracked mask into the node tree. Then feather and soften the edges to blend with the background. Match color and opacity for realism. Render a short review clip at native resolution to confirm the mask holds across the full shot. If you see drift, split the clip into smaller segments and retrack each segment because shorter intervals reduce accumulated error. Alternatively, add manual keyframes where the tracker failed. If performance stalls, use proxies and reapply the baked tracking data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.